So this is Stuck on You magnet fishing. This is Lindsay and Dillinger.
We're here with the Rusty Magnets.
Magnet fishing.
We got Clayton here. And Jen's hiding way down there.
She is. She's looking in the water already. She's up to no good.
And
Dave from Sawdust City Magnets. And Eddie, the anchor from Sawdust City Magnets as well.
Eddie's over there.
Yeah, and they called him the anchor because he really catches a lot of anchors.
Yeah.
All right, first throw. Well, there we go.
That's a nice one.
Wow.
First throw.
First throw.
Holy shamoly.
Yeah.
I missed that, but look at that knife you just got. Ooh, that's been down there a while.
Nice, dude. Matt from sticking it, or
Stuck on You magnet fishing.
Stuck on You magnet
That,
fishing.
yeah.
You guys all heard that.
Very first throw.
That is awesome.
Huh.
And we got the pub out here.
That's really neat. It was just hanging there like that, so I didn't even know what it was at first.
Nice. That's a nice knife. I'll show you that.
Ooh.
That's a fucking moped.
It's a moped.
Oh, grappling hook, it's a motorcycle.
Get it, hey, get it. You got a motorcycle.
I don't have that video.
I'm recording. It's quite the find that Sawdust City Eddie got there. Looks like some kind of motorcycle or moped.
Dude, look at this. We got a motorcycle.
That is awesome.
It's not that far out. I'll swim out and I'll tie a rope to it if I have to. We'll just walk that way with it. Oh my gosh, you guys. What the actual fudge? My hands are shaking literally. This is a moped. Either that or it's a motorcycle. It's a moped.
Dillinger.
That's why it was so hard to get the magnet on.
Yeah,
Look at that.
small amounts of metal.
Ooh, look at that. Hold on.
Accessible.
Just give me a here. Let's get you tied off real quick. I got it. Okay.
The rope is this. I can't turn the gear here.
Probably ours.
Or one of ours, yeah.
I don't know where you got your 4200 stuck at in there, but it's stuck good. And waves.
Right.
We're probably going to have to run them towards shore.
Probably your best
We
bet.
have to. I'll bring my truck down here.
Yeah, you can.
I'll bring my truck right to the shore. And if you get a good lock on it, we'll pull it right up.
Alright, so this 4200 and...
We got two grappling hooks on it already?
Yeah.
Yep.
Good though.
Yeah.
And there is a third grappling hook if we end up needing it. It's just not the best rope.
Hold on.
Can somebody's grappling hook come way down at that bottom left?
Alright. I got it with the 4200 there.
Alright, hold on.
Okay.
If anybody needs to change the battery, go ahead and do it right now. We have it tied off, we have it here. We're good. Take a second. Dave, change the battery out. Hey.
Dillinger.
I would, but we don't have the battery.
That's okay. We're recording it on your phone.
You're fine again. See?
Speak out.
Grab one. Sit in between the seat and the back tire.
Well, this red rope here can rip that exhaust off. Need that red rope to come up and over it.
Well, right now that'll keep it from spinning.
It's not gonna go anywhere right now. We have it right here. This is a fucking motorcycle. This is like a Kawasaki.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Okay. Wait, where's the other grappling? There's 3 of them, I thought.
Yeah, we have one. But we would have to find a better rope to put on it.
I have mine right here, because I think it should go on this side of it. On this side.
Oh, you left the grappling hook in the car, Matt?
I'm pretty sure I did.
You want to run and grab it quick? Okay. You could grab one of our 100-foot ropes.
Well, he can use my black here.
The black rope's already being used.
My black one.
Put the rope in.
That was not expected. Stop on my rope. Hold on my rope. Stop for a second. Stop. There. Alright, Jen, follow the ropes. Just rest them after that. Let's go.
Watch out, motorcycle coming through.
GoPro, start recording.
They got a motorcycle.
You have no clue how this thing is.
No.
Black rope that is. Hold me up. I know.
Keep ropes clear, Jen. Okay, we're on shore, we're good. We're on shore, we're good. Dave, you good?
I'm good.
Okay.
My board is good.
Alright, let's just take a break. Everybody can let go. We're on shore, we're good.
We watched a lot of people.
No, that's what we're thinking when this shanty was here. It had to have went off from that shanty because it was pretty much where the shanty would have been.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, it makes sense. I mean, how else would it have gotten like out
down here.
right over here?
Yeah, and that, I heard that
One down here
broke off
Oh my God, that
and
thing was
floated.
It was like there was like a ladder that you had to crawl over to get onto the actual dock.
And now those are the only 2 shanties that are left.
Yeah. I pulled up an ice skating frame from here. Took 10 of us to get it out of the water. That was
Oh my
last
gosh.
year.
Stuck on you magnet fishing. And that's a new one.
It's like, great. Thanks,
Hey, Jen,
guys. Thanks.
he watches our YouTube channel.
Oh,
That's awesome.
hi, nice to meet you. You're welcome.
as well. He's like, I'm taking a picture of this.
You might have
We
to.
actually have to.
Oh, yeah.
I just want my rope
You
back.
guys will have to sign him an
Thank you.
autograph.
Yeah.
Sign the bike.
Something going.
No, only the 3rd. Oh, yeah, true. It was just a.
It was out there.
around the middle.
Yeah, check that out.
And yeah, we had 4 people kind of hold it up.
Took 3 grappling hooks and 4 people.
It was odd. Yeah, once you get one.
Yeah.
Yeah, our grappling hook, I think it's on Jen's rope actually. Our hook is still on it yet, but
Yeah, that's what we figured it. We'll figure it out once it's out.
yeah. No, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh. Dog.
Good thing there's a railing here. Catch me. Dillinger.
Why I just did that.
Now we got motors up here and we're pulling out. This is crazy.
Hey, Clay. He's cut backing up right now.
Back. Pulling up.
Yeah. I never would have thought this would be how our day would go.
No truck fishing.
I'll go in if you want me to. You want that? Give me a second. I'm gonna take my keys out real quick.
Yeah, it's wet. It took 4 with a grapple.
Four of
We
them.
use grapples to help because magnets would pop off.
Yeah, I had to. I found it out there about the in between the 3rd and 4th pillar there.
Yeah, there's actually 2 grapples on it. There's another one up front.
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
3 grapples and a couple magnets.
Yeah.
We had one grapple from over there in the corner to get it away from the pillar.
Right.
The current tried to keep it.
I don't know if I could swing it around to you or not.
Yeah, just right there.
Sad thing is it's probably gonna get damaged now.
I mean,
You going in, Clay?
I think it's a little damaged as it is.
Watch your step.
A little bit of flood damage.
I was gonna say.
Why is nobody getting this on camera?
Oh, they are.
Yeah.
I wonder if he's still balmy.
Balmy? You're balmy now, Clay? You're gonna be the balmy bottom boy today.
You got Clay down there. Driver rigged the motorcycle.
I would have went in.
Pull it out of here. We'll guide him with that other rope over there.
All right, hold on here.
Come on, dog.
Don't want to get
I didn't know.
Pull that black rope at the side.
Yeah.
got a motorcycle down there.
What?
Yeah.
You want your grapple off? Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, he caught a motorcycle with magnet. Yeah. He's iffy with new people. Like Smith. Yeah. Okay, buddy.
No. That's sad. That's it. It is too. Not a big one. That's definitely a big one.
That is so awesome. What an insane day. Hey, none of that. No barking. Hey, maybe that's how it got in there. Well, it's not coming out in pieces.
Oh, he knows what he's doing.
Yeah. Oh. Is the mirror gonna come off? Is it?
Time to look for the body.
That is
Are you gonna go
crazy.
swimming for it?
That was bad enough getting up.
Oh, we lost a couple.
I was gonna say you might want to ease up. That back tire looks like it's about to come off.
Yamaha.
He left y'all souvenirs. He left us his souvenirs, guys, on the rocks.
There goes part of the side panel.
Got it.
I don't know whose grappling hook I got here.
This one is Vitamin, I believe. Yeah, the feet one. And it's on our rope.
That's crazy.
I'm terrible with
That is crazy.
Hey, that's what you get when you hang out with Salt City guys. If it's big or a chain,
Yeah.
we'll find it. Smile. 13 years, I've never done this.
13 years, you've never done it?
Nope.
You're gonna learn today.
Jenny, do I realize?
Awesome. Way to go.
Yeah, did you know? They're going to camp. No, I got some myself.